Let's see what is the difference between single-user OS versus multi-user OS. A single-user operating system allows only one user to use the computer at a time. A multi-user operating system allows multiple users to use the computer at the same time. A single-user operating system is designed for one user only. A multi-user operating system is designed for many users. A single-user operating system has simpler security management. A multi-user operating system requires stronger security management. A single-user operating system typically has one main user account. A multi-user operating system supports multiple user accounts. A single-user operating system usually provides better performance for one user. A multi-user operating system manages performance for many users at the same time. In a single-user operating system, system resources are used by one user. In a multi-user operating system, system resources are shared among multiple users. A single-user operating system is generally easier and less expensive to manage. A multi-user operating system is generally more complex and expensive to manage. Examples of single-user operating systems include MS-DOS and Windows 95. Examples of multi-user operating systems include Unix, Linux, and Windows Server. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.